Okay, so this is my lily pilly plant. A few days ago, it looked completely normal, nothing special at all. I was just taking care, like any other plant, not expecting anything big. And then suddenly, these tiny little birds started appearing, and I was like, wait, what is this? I mean, really happening, or I am just imagining thing. It's never ever budding. I have never seen. I kept checking it again and again, like every few hours, just to see if something changed. And honestly, those birds are so small but so perfect. And then slowly they started opening up, and now look at this full bloom. I was actually so happy to see this plant really. They take own time to bloom, and it was actually in the category of tree, basically this lily pilly or CGM as in the category of medium size of a tree. So I was not imagining, I've never seen it blooming anywhere. I just saw it normal yellow, normal red colored leaf. So it's like magic to me. And this plant is actually planted every where in the gardens, and maximum I saw in the garden to these beautiful plants. And its beauty is not its flower. Actually, its beauty was in its beauty was in its leaves. When they started growing, their upper parts of the leaves are truly red, and that what makes it so beautiful. And even those red leaves are much look like much better than these flowers when they are fully covered with red leaves. So both are looking very nice. I love my plant. If you want such type of magical plant or flowers to see, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. It will be a very big support from you friends. I will keep posting such beautiful videos. Thanks for watching.